Hey, what's up, team? Tony told me to send out this screencast to y'all. Anyway, my name's Corey. I'm just going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition and really drawing that quality of traffic to your site. And hopefully this gets to the right person it needs to get to as well. So anyway, the 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I got your website pulled up here. So going over this, I'm just going to browse it real quick. Really bringing your word count up to about 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really euphoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer other keywords as well. I do like your call out right here, free estimates. Blow that up, make it really nice and big. It helps navigate people a little bit more as well. But yeah, that's your first tip, bringing your word count up. Also, these images, what they're saved as. You got Getty images. Switch that back out with the image or the content behind it, what it's saved as for keywords, and that's just going to help with your rankings even more. If I go inside of Google here and type in AC Repair Naples FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here at the top. You got those old school ads that they push down here at the bottom. A lot of people have been going away with these old school ads because they have been getting a lot of spammy phone calls. Anyway, if we come up back to these Google guarantees, they came up with these just to help block out some of those spammy phone calls. It's just another form of paid advertisements, which I've seen these ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a click. So I don't know if you're running ads. I'll see here in a second, but imagine people clicking on these things and no services are getting done. So these ads can get pretty pricey at the end of the day. Right here in this little map section is going to be dealing with a lot of citations. What a citation is, just an online business directory. So really, these business directories, they got Facebook, LinkedIn. You've heard of those. There's City Star, Locals Best. There's tons of them out there. It really depends on your area that you're in. So really, what you would want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We really don't want to stop there, though. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well. So that way, we're always outranking the competition. Underneath this little map section here, this is where all the organic traffic is going to happen on your website. This is the first page of Google, and they really, to get here, it comes down with that authoric content, but also it comes down to what's called a backlink. So what a backlink is, it's a link from a website that's linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks are actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, you got familyairconditioning.net here. Yep, same one. So I'm just going to do a quick overview here. So you got a 33 referring domains, which is pushing back 82 backlinks. It looks like historically you've had 753 backlinks. It's a backlinking journey. Backlinks come and go. They fall off probably faster than you can get them sometimes. You got 65 keywords you're actually being tracked for, and in total you're getting about 43 clicks to your website every single month. So if we come in and see where, before we go and see those real quick, I just want to show you this PPC. That stands for pay per click. So it looks like you're not doing any ads, but I don't know if you're doing TV, radio, things like that, billboards. I know those get really pricey as well. But really coming in and seeing where these 43 clicks are coming from and off your keywords, what you're ranking for. Most of your traffic is actually coming from your name. So yeah, you got your name up there that you're being ranked for. Air Conditioner Naples FL, your 17th position. There's 20 clicks for that one keyword, but you're still missing the traffic. Let me air conditioning service Naples FL. There's 100 clicks. Your 29th position on that one keyword, which that's a decent quantity of traffic for that one keyword that you're missing. Air conditioning services Naples FL. There's another 20 clicks. AC repair Naples FL. There's 200 clicks every single month. 40th position, so you're on the 4th page. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Speedy Air Conditioning, and put them inside of Ahrefs real quick. Now, these are all the keywords that they're actually ranking for. They're second, third, first. There's 6th position. But the amount of traffic that they're getting is just really good for all these keywords that are actually being ranked for. Kind of give you an idea here. AC Repair Naples, there's 300 clicks every month for that one keyword. They're getting 87 clicks out of that one keyword. They're second position with it. AC Repair Naples FL, there's another 200 clicks. Second position for that keyword. Air conditioning repair, Naples FL, there's another 200 clicks for it. They're third position, still getting a decent amount of traffic. So really coming through this and being, having those quality backlinks and also, that content is going to help you get your pages to those that first page of Google. And being in a position where actually ranking for these keywords is really crucial for that quality business as well. Anyway, if you like what I heard and think that I might have a couple of tricks on my sleeve to help you get where you're going, I'd love to put a free custom game plan to help you get there, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. And also, if you want to leave a review, that'd be great too. Thank you.